Hello and welcome to my channel Running Trails. My name's Philip and we're heading out for a possibly 8-mile run today, and we are going to discuss running mistakes for beginners. We've all done it, I've done it, and you're probably doing it right now. So come on, let's go into the trails and we'll have a catch up.
And here we are in the Dean. So, mistake number one. Doing too much far too soon. If you're a beginner and that's why you're here, just go steady. If you plan to run 3 times a week, run a day, have a day off. If you want to keep the activity up, go for a walk on that so-called rest day. But doing too much too soon, you could end up in an injury. Then that way it'll stop you from getting out and running, which is what you don't want. So taking it steady, have a run day, have off, have a run day, have the next day off, and put things in between. Instead of going for a walk, you might have a bike, go for a bike ride, but you're taking your running journey slow and easy to start off with. Oh, by the way, we're in the Dean. Absolutely amazing place. So yeah, mistake number one, too much too soon. Slow it down. Mistake number 2, don't eat or drink anything just before you go out for your run. If you're going to eat or drink anything, have it at least an hour, 2 hours before you go for your run. Then that way you won't end up having a stitch in your stomach or feeling any other bowel movements go on. Yeah, that can ruin your day. Believe me, I have done it, and it ain't good. Even changing your routine of eating, of what you eat in the morning before you go out for your run, or whenever you go out for your run. Example, I used to have porridge or pancakes. Quite stodgy, easy on the stomach. No repeating. And when I ran my first marathon, I changed that up. Don't know why, really don't know why, but I did. And I ate a bowl of All Bran cornflakes roughly about an hour before I went out for the run. And you know what's coming, don't you? Had to stop off and go for a wild one. Not pleasant, not good, no. So, learn from my mistake. At least 2 hours before you go for your run. Okay. Mistake number 3. Running in the wrong shoes. Today obviously we're out on the trails. It's been muddy, but it always gets muddy in the Dean, so I've got my Innovate X Talons on, and they are great for this environment. Super aggressive lug, lots of grip, good confidence on the trails when running. So yes, it's perfectly alright to get out and start your running journey with what you've got, but if you get that bug and you want to progress with your running, your training, you want to go from 5k to 10k, 10k to half marathon and so on, believe me, because that's how it started for me. So it's perfectly alright to go out running with what you've got, but once you progress into your 10Ks and half marathons, you need to get shoes that's specific for running. So if you're doing a road marathon or road half marathon, get road shoes. The grip on them is not as aggressive as your trail running shoes. They tend to be a bit more comfortable, a bit more plush on the upper foot, so you enjoy your running. Whereas your trail shoes, a bit more stripped back, heavier duty grip, or lugs as they're called, from 3mm right through to 6mm. So you know, it's getting the right gear for the activity that you're going to do. Yeah. So don't keep on running on your cheap trainers. You'll have to get a specific trainer for the environment you're running, whether it be trail or tarmac pounding. Okay? So, mistake number 4 is, yes, you've been out for a couple of weeks now, a few runs done under your belt, you're feeling great. You think to yourself, oh, tell you what, let's see if I can do my 5k a little bit faster than last week's. Don't do it. Trying to go out faster in such a short space of time, you will end up with an injury. If you end up with the injury, you may end up hating the run, hating doing what you're doing and what you started in the first place for. You'll forget all that and you think, bloody hell, this is no good whatsoever. My ankle's hurting, my calf's hurting, I've got knee pain now, all because you thought to yourself, ooh, I'm going to go and do it a bit faster this time. Don't do it. Don't be tempted to do it. Saying this because, well, yes, I have done it. And the reason why you're watching this is to get tips or, well, advice from other people that have made them mistakes. And if I'm not the first mistake video you've seen, you've probably seen loads more before telling you this as well. Don't go out faster, just keep it steady, keep it manageable to your pace, because you've just started. Yeah. Anyway, that's me rant over. But no, take it steady on your runs. Don't try and plug out a PB straight away. Yeah. At the end of the day, you come out to enjoy this. Whether you're running trails or the tarmac. Yeah. You're here to enjoy this lovely environment. Yep. Well, we're back home and that's the run done. Let's look at some stats for today's run. 8.4 miles, 961 feet of elevation gain. All good. Moving time 1 hour 40 and average pace is 11:52 minute mile. So keeping it in the base training zone, zone 2, which is what I'm aiming for. So yeah, that is today's run, little adventure done. If you're still here, thank you very much, and hello to my 4 subscribers. Thank you for being so supportive. Very much appreciated. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, put a comment, and if you've made any of those mistakes or any other mistakes that you've made, let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment and share if you feel the need to, and I'll see you on the next run out. See you then.